Hi guys, today I want to teach you about solve your few problems about the printing barra cartridge. So let's start, and this version is in English. So don't worry, and this channel is based on the fully printer, computer, mobile, and etc. So today I shall teach you 30 tips about printer cartridge. That is very important, and this is the topic which is written on the copy. And if you want to this copy, you should comment, and this is the full topics available solution in this channel. Okay, so this is very useful channel for you, and let's start our topic. And first of all, I want to say this the parts name of the this cartridge. Yeah, this cartridge. Okay, so let's start. And this is known as drum. Okay, again, this is magnet, PCR, magnet, wiper blade. Okay, and D blade, and D blade is here. You can let's start know about it. D blade. And I want to say you, before the refilling you should keep a cotton cloth, okay, newspaper, good screwdriver, brush, and open cartridge parts. Okay, so I have lots of problem in the earlier, so I solve these problems easily one by one. So first of all, I have solution with examples. Okay, and with problem and solution. So first of all, the first issue is bigger issue, and this is seen in lots of time in our printing time. So first of all, this is light print issue. So if you see here, this is light print. That means the printing is not clear, and this problem happened every day in our daily life. Okay, so don't worry, this is channel where you can solve your problem easily. So please, if you care, please share. The issue is light print, so you should first of all check magnet. Magnet is old and new, and I want to explain you first of all this magnet and another magnet I have, which is totally damaged. And so you can check it. This is new and this is old. Okay, yeah, there is depreciation and omit parts on it, so you should change it. Okay, next one drum. That means this is not new, and this is any problem, any dots available on this, so you should change it. Again, I want to say wiper blade. You should check wiper blade. It is not good, in poor condition. You check this magnet, sorry, this wiper blade is damaged, because you can see here this is black fully, and you can touch it softly, so it's move not in fast way here, slowly. So you can see here this is a damaged part. Again, garbage section. Okay, you can see here, this is garbage section. You should change, if you refill that, you should open the garbage section and clean it, because this is the problem. Okay, so this is the first problem, this is the first solution. And again, I have another examples, and you can see uh, that problem is strips on the printing. So you should change, and this is written on the paper, change PC and drum. Okay, and next one is, you can see here patches. Okay, shadow babbling left side, this is the babbling. Okay, don't worry, this is the reason behind it, garbage section. So you should have a clean garbage section. If you refill the cartridge 12 etc, any cartridge, so you should clean the garbage section. Okay, by the help of a screwdriver. So if you problem to how to open the drum, sorry, open the cartridge, yeah, how to clean garbage section, this is available video in the description box, so don't think anything and don't worry. So please like, share and comment if you have any problem. So clean garbage section and magnet cap. Okay, and I want to show you a thing, magnet cap. That means magnet cap, it is available here. So it is broken, you can see here, this is broken, then this is the reason behind it. So please change it. And solve your problem. So don't move fast from this channel, and I have solve your problem in English language, because India, I belong to India, and there are unity in diversity, and there are lots of language available in India. If you belong to Kerala and etc. states, then there is no solution in Hindi, no solution in English. So I have completed, yeah, solve your problem in English language. So please don't go anywhere. So dot print left side. Okay, you can see left here, right side dot prints. You can see here dot prints available. Okay, you can see here dot prints. Okay, okay, this is dot print. So first of all, a magnet boost, you should change magnet boost, it will be solved easily. Again, strips. Okay, you can see strips available in this part, so don't worry about it. You should change PCR, and this is available here. This is PCR, and next one, you can see here, this is light print issue, yeah, omit issue, omit print. So first of all, you should clean garbage section and clean all the parts of the printer. Okay, and cartridge, sorry, not printer, it is cartridge only. This is issue available and solution on the cartridge. Next one is white print. If you print and the paper will be print only white, so don't worry. You can see this is the magnet spring available in magnet. Okay, so this is if it is broken, then you should change it. How to change broken spring? It is available video in description box. So this is very easy. Don't worry, because I have completed, I have solved your lots of problem. Okay, next one, magnet spring and toner spring. Okay, you can see if you forget to attach the toner spring, so it is not possible to print without it. So please change it. And if you have new cartridge 12A etc., if you have any problem, you how to open, how to assemble, disassemble etc., so you can see my channel in description box. Lots of videos available on this topic. So this is the solution. Next one is black dark print. That means if you print and there's black print, okay, don't worry, clean drum. Okay, because this is a dark print, that's boldness print. Okay, so you should clean, change drum. Okay, next one, you can see here, this is the issue. Okay, you can see here, this is the issue available and solution, and I have given the name of this issue breakage print. Okay, that means print in breakage tab. So first of all, you should change drum. This problem will be solved easily. Okay, next one. So first of all, my dear friends and my subscribers, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any problem, then share it, communicate me with the help of WhatsApp, and you can see patches available in the print. Okay, don't worry. Change a scanner cable, check a scanner cable in printer. This is the problem by printer. Yeah, you can see first of all, check drum. Okay, now the problem and solution available is topic. You can see here, this is the problem behind it. There is a issue left here, right side, and no print. Don't worry, this is the reason behind it. You should empty toner and change your toner. Okay, yeah, this is toner, you should change the toner. How to change the toner, how to change counter, don't worry. If you problem, then this description box. So you should have an empty toner. You should shake. Okay, shake the toner, your cartridge, and you can easily use and print 10 to 20 pages without any problem. Okay, and the next one, so you can see here, this is the patches in left side. Okay, in any printer, firstly this is made for a brother printer, so the reason behind it dots, print drum. Okay, with not cloth, soft cloth, yeah, newspaper. That means you should take drum and clean it with the help of paper such as. Okay, and other parts you should check other parts. Okay, my dear friends, subscribers, next one is ghost printing. So if you face ghost printing, that means double printing. Okay, so don't worry, you should first of all you can see here this is known as ghost printing. So more lines on PCR, this is the reason behind it. If you want to see, you want to watch which part is damaged and what's the reason behind it, there is a solution available and video available in the description box, you can see. And the first of all, double printing, the solution is PCR. Okay, you should clean the PCR and check garbage section. Okay, and change wiper blade. Okay, so there is solution. And the next one is full black. Okay, so PCR, this is the reason behind it, PCR has damaged. Okay, so you should change PCR. And the next one is there is no power and this part is not touching in printer. So you should go to description box how to correct the pin of the printer where both parts attach and give the power supply positive and negative. Okay, next one, don't worry, black patches in the middle of printer. Okay, you can see here black patches, don't worry. And the solution is only change drum. You can change drum. I have written the solution on the paper for you. Okay, next one is order on print. Okay, order on print, the reason behind it, that means when you are printing, then order available on print. So this is the reason, and you can see here, and this is damaged, and I want to show you damaged part of the wipe D-blade, sorry, D-blade, and this is available. You can see here this is damaged and this is very soft, so the powder sprayed on the magnet and magnet are sprayed on it. So this is the reason behind. Okay, if you want to see this video in Hindi language, this is available in description box. So next one, big line. Okay, that means you can see here this is big line on the left side, your right side, this is another measure. So I want to, so how to solve this problem, you should, this written here, clean garbage section, that means you should clean. First of all, when you refill, I want to give you teach lesson in the ending of the video, so please move in the ending, not move in the ending, so please watch full video and till end. Okay, and garbage section D-blade. Okay, and you can see here if anything's available here, that means cotton etc, the tear pages, then this is the reason behind it. And then next one, the problem and the solution, you can see in this channel. This is the vertical line in the middle, you can see here this is the vertical line. So you should change wiper blade because there is a cutting marks anywhere, cut marks, yeah, small a bit cut. So this is the solution, change wiper blade. Next one is horizontal line, that means you can see here this is the horizontal line issue, so you should change PCR because this is the reason behind it. This is the reason, there is a problem in the PCR, and you should check the drum if any lines on the drum, any patches on drum, any damaged parts available such as this in the middle of it, so it print same repeat things. So next one, garbage section, you should always clean garbage section. So this is the problem, and you can see this is not only in one page, this is available in lots of pages. I have solved it with very easily. If you care, please share, like, subscribe and share, because I have given lots of videos on it, on the topic of cartridge, and I have bought lots of cartridge. You can see in the description box where you can fill cartridge without open in the from the outer side. This is video in description box. Black dot, okay, you can see here black dots here, you can see here, and this is the solution available in our channel, and you can see here this is the black dots available here. So, and I want to show you in the next pages, so you can see here dots available. Okay, dots showing here, you can see here. Don't worry, drum, first of all you should change drum because there are spots on the drum. And next one is PCR. You should check PCR. Okay, chaliye. Okay, now move on the next topic. Vertical more lines available is in such way. So you should check wiper blade garbage section. Yeah, check any problem in a wiper blade, drum, PCR, and magnetic rod. If you have this problem, you should check magnet rod. Next one is shrinking page. That means earlier I have problem same tap. This is, you can see here, this is not fake, this is original problem, and this is a tear the page. So this is the reason behind it. You should change the flow from the printer. Okay, and next one is erase print. Then when you print, then it is easily erased. And these problems also seen in the winter season and rainy season. So don't worry, don't think. Let's move. Like, subscribe, and comment, because you should reach us 1 lakh subscribers. So this is the reason, and you should greasing. Okay, greasing the Teflon. If you the Teflon is available in fuser unit, you should go and see the fuser unit, because Teflon has dried, and you should use always silicone oil. So I have completed lots of problem and lots of solution on this topic. So I want to say you, if you have any problem, then you should comment. And I have promised you in the beginning part, how to refill I can teach you easily. First of all, you should take good tools, okay, such as a screwdriver. Okay, next one is one brush, newspaper, cotton cloth, etc. If you have blower, then you can use in order of your room, because this is very important for the refilling. If you have no, so you should not buy, only this is completed by this. And if you refill, first of all, when you refill, then you should clean it with the help of cotton cloth. Okay, such as this is the problem, and you should move it very easily. Okay, if you feel this is not moving, that means you should clean the gears. How to clean the gears, this video is available in the description box. And when you move and clean it recently, and you should do 3 and 4 times it with the help of your cotton cloths. Okay, now keep it. And next one is, and some parts are around it. So you should first of all, you should clean garbage section. How to clean garbage section? You should clean it and open it and clean with the help of brush. Okay, and next one is clean the drum. This is very important. Clean the PCR, etc. parts are cleaned, and then you should assemble the cartridge. And after it, you should clean it with the help of brush. Okay, you should clean it with the help of brush. And this is the good method of refilling. Okay, so first of all, I have completed your lots of problem. If you have any problem, accept it, so you should comment, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, chata, and meet you in next video.
क्या बात है।